So good evening, this is my step-by-step explanation. So let's go first to the variables. R equals the numbers of read rings and G equals the numbers of win rings. So our objective is what we minimize. So cos this letter C is equal to cos na siya. And cos 15 read rings plus 18.5 green rings. So let's proceed to constants. Kung natingala mo anong naani, ako na siya nakuha sa table. And proceed na to there. So, ano siya. And, yeah. So, the next step is find the intersection points. So, we should solve the boundary inequalities. First, let's solve the r plus g equals 5 and r plus 2g equals 6. So, dito natin na nakaway guys. And we solve it. So, first subtract the first from the second. So, open parenthesis r plus 2g minus open parenthesis r plus g equals to 6. A equals to g, I mean. So g equals 1, then r plus 1 equals 5, then r equals to 4. So our point is 4.4 and 1. And then the next one, talo din siya kabang a, b, yan siya kalang analyze. So next one is solve the r plus g equals to 5 and 3r plus g equals to 9. So first, subtract the first from the second. So 3r plus g minus r plus g equals to 2r. So 2r equals to 4, and then then r equals to 2, then 2 plus g equals to 5, and g equals to 3. So atong point ana kay 2 and 3. So proceed to sa pakatalo. Solve the r plus 2g equals to 6 and 3rg to 9. Equals to 9. From r plus 2g equals to 9, get the r equals to 6 minus 2g, substitute into 3r plus g equals to 9. So taas ka na siya na process, pero dili na siya possible. So proceed na to sa next. So wala na to na siya i-appeal. Dili na siya possible. So ang mga possible na corner candidates are 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, 0, and 0, 9. So, todo na silang ipang-compute cost at each possible corner. Then, digit by digit arithmetic. So, dali na siya guys. Kung kabala mo, kung sa arithmetic. So, ito na. So, 15 times 4 equals 10 times 4 plus 5 times 9, 4 equals to 40 plus 80, then equals to 60. 18 plus 5 times 1 equals to 18.5. So let's go to the total cost. 60 plus 18.5 equals to 78.5 pesos. So let's proceed to the next one, 2 and 3. So 15 times 2 equals 30. 18.5 times 3 equals 18.5 plus 0.5 x 3 plus I equals to 54 plus 1.5 equals to 55.5. Ano din na siya guys? Kani, isolve natin na sila first. Solve natin na sila, then buto natin siya dire. Equals, man ilang equals. Then kani, times natin na sila doha. Then buto natin sila dire. Then ano din eh. Ano siya. Tapos, i-add tayo na to ang doha. I-add na to ni. I-add na to ni. Sila doha. Ganun daw. So, ano din yung equals niya. Okay. Naman din. 15 times 6 equals 10 times 6 minus 10 times 6 equals to 60. Then 5 times 6 equals to 30. 60 plus 30, 90. So 18.5 times 0 equals 0. So 10 din siya i-plus ng 0 sa 90. So punta natin dire 90 sa total cost plus 0 dayon equals 90 ra Japan kay 0 naman to. So let's proceed sa pangkaapat. The last one, 0 and 9. So kaya Japan sila same dire, but nalang ang 0 lang ay nasa right. So let's proceed. 15 times 0 equals 0. 18.5 times 5 times 9 equals 18 times 9. 18 times 9 equals to 162. 0.5 times 9 equals to 4.5. 162 plus 4.5 equals to 166.5. So, ang total cost na dahil anak kay 166.5 man siya. So for the next, choose na to ang minimum. So means the smallest cost among the possible requirements. So unsa man ang smallest cost? Ano siya ang smallest cost katong pinakauna? Ano siya? So ang minimum din nga atong masel para ma-minimize and ma-meet Japan ang requirements is upat ka red drinks man siya. Red drinks tapos green ang nasa-light ka na. So upat ka red drinks and 1 ka green drink to minimize cost while still meeting the requirements.